Good morning, friends. You can see on my right hand side there is a question which is coming in ISC exam. Okay, so ISC first question is based on a number. Okay, there are three questions. One is based on number, one is based on matrix, and another one is based on string. Okay, so first I am considering the first question, which is the find to check a given number is even number or not. So first we need to know what is even number. So even number means that number consists of even number of ones after converting binary number. So you know, the first we need to convert the decimal equivalent binary number. Then we need to count that binary, how many ones are present in that binary number. Okay, if the number is even after counting the ones, that means the number is even number. If there is odd, that means there is no, that number is not even number. Okay, so let's start the program. So first I am creating a class. Name is eval. Okay, now class created, and in this class I am writing the program in two different parts. Okay, import java dot start. Okay, now I am erasing each and everything. Okay, so what I am doing, I am writing the main method, then I am writing the entire program in two parts. In one part I am converting the decimal number to equivalent binary number, and one part I am doing the calculation, now counting the number ones. Okay, so first I write the main method, then I move for the two parts. Okay, so first we need to take an input the decimal number. So we require scanner. ISC is equal to scanner taken. Now give proper message. Look one thing, so you can see our sample inputs are present. So when you run the entire program, you need to follow the appropriate message which is present in the example. Okay, so those practical examiner coming to taking your exam, that particular examiner checking whether that output whatever you are providing, that one is as it is similar with the example. Okay, these are first rule. You can see n is equal to, so I am writing n, capital N is equal to. Okay, nothing else. And besides, so I am using the ln. Then you can take any variables. The variable name, there is no restriction. So I am taking no, but ETA type means no is equal to SC dot next int. Okay, input taking. Now I'm telling to you, you need to, I'm writing to another method, so need to create an object of this evil class. So evil dot obj is equal to new obj evil. Okay, then now time to call the method. First I'm calling a method. So my method name is obj dot bin binary convert con. This is my method name, binary convert. So I need to pass the value. So I'm passing value which is present inside no. So I'm writing no. Okay. So need to write the method. So void. This is I'm writing the void, because see, after converting the entire thing we need to send the binary number. So I'm writing here void, later on change it. Okay. So writing the method which is bin con and in parameter n. Okay. Now time to convert the binary. Okay. So I'm taking a variable int. Suppose I'm taking an additional variable which is variable is r. Okay. So I'm inside this r, I'm doing the calculation, and after converting the equivalent binary, okay, we the entire sentence died inside a particular variable which is string type, because binary we need to start counting from the down to up. Okay, the 0 is 0. If you use the integer, then 0, if you calculate 0 with something else, then it will become the 0. So that's why I'm taking the string variable string, suppose b for binary number, bin for binary. Okay, and taking the initial value which is 0, blank. Okay, now need to convert. Okay, so I'm using a character array. Suppose I'm taking b as a character array, b is equal to, and inside this array there's two value, one is 0, either 0 or 1, 0, comma 1. Okay, the character value, that's why I'm using a single quote. I'm having two values. Okay, now need to check why. While unless your value of n greater than less than 0, greater than 0. Similarly, the same way you are reversing a number, same formula I'm using over here. Okay, so r is equal to n mod 2, because binary you need to divide by 2 the same way, and s is equal to p is equal to if, now see, either value of r is 0 or 1, so whatever the b position, b of arrow, b array, either r is 1 or 0. If r is 0, then we take 0. If r is 1, we take 1. And stored inside this particular b in. Okay, so this way we can incorporate the entire thing. Okay, now next one is n is equal to n by 10. N is equal to n by 10. So n by 2. Okay, now if you you got a question, convert decimal to binary, so you can do this way. You can convert the entire thing. Okay. Now, inside this string variable, the entire things are present, so we write the variable method is string type method, and we return that string. So return the pin, because pin having the binary number. So once you return, so from where you are calling, you need to take a variable. So string type variable, string bin is equal to your method. So after returning the string in the binary number present inside is bin variable, which is present inside the main. Now time to count how many ones present in this bin file. So I am writing another method which is int. And why I am writing int? Because after counting we get the integer number. That's why I am writing the int. So count COUNT, count binary number. So count bin, and we are taking the string because string C for count. Okay. So why string C required? Because we are sending this actual bin file to this method. Now int C and count number is equal to, I am taking obj dot count COUNT and passing this bin a variable. Okay, now we are doing the counting process. Okay, now counting process is that how to count. Simply, yet I am taking a variable int CO for counting. Okay, initial value is equal to 0. And one more integer variable for length, the length of the string. So we need to repeat counting. So we can do int L is equal to C dot length. So we get the length of this particular string. Okay. Now I am taking another variable which is ch. We need to check, compare. Okay, char ch. Okay, then write the loop, for loop, for int I is equal to 0 to I less than L, because L value is, suppose there are 5 letters, then the length value is 5. So in array it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why less than L. I plus plus. Now inside ch variable I am storing the string I position value. Okay, so c dot char at I. So every time c hold the I position value. Okay, now need to check if ch is equal to 1. Okay, single quote, because ch is a character 1, then we can count, otherwise leave it. Then c o plus plus. Okay, we can count, otherwise we leave it. After doing the entire thing, we return the CO value. So return CO. Okay. If I consider is a 1, this one 0, minus 1, that time we write plus CO. Okay. Now we are doing the enter thing. Now Cn having the value, and need to check Cn is an even number or odd number. Now if Cn is equal, Cn mod 2 is equal to 0, that means even number. So once it's even number, you can simply say this is the even number. So the output is that. So once when you run the entire thing, one by need to print the entire thing. Okay. So before printing this one, checking this one, I'm printing the same thing, because this n is equal to 26, binary equivalent, and number of ones we need to print. Okay, so that's why this is a common, and the output of the not an even number, these are the changes. So we don't write the entire thing deliberately. So I'm writing system dot out dot println binary equivalent colon plus this binary number present inside this bin. So bin variable. The binary are printed. Next line, I need to print the number of ones. So number of ones colon plus now number of ones present inside this Cn. So Cn is the common. Okay, so I print it again. Now if this is the even number, then we write eval number. Okay, and here you also write the input colon and here output colon else not an even number. Okay, program is over. Now compile. See, there is no error. I just close it. So the examiner check exactly these three input which is present in the question paper. So I'm taking, and that time, remember that time when you're running the program, okay, remember you off this clear screen method call. Okay, because at a glance you need to take a print out of this entire output. Okay, that's why you uncheck this clear screen add method. Okay, so I'm taking 15 first, then enter. You can see the exact output. Close it. Again run it. Again you can see the value is 26. You can see the message in same as it is, same message. And the last one is, we are not doing the last one because there is a condition. If the n, you can see here the mouse pointer, n greater than 2 and less than 100. Okay, that time you need to write this message, output number out of range. We are not doing this one. So first we do it, then again we run it. Okay, so once you see, once the after taking the input, if I check, then we do the enter thing. So first we check here if n greater than 2 and n less than 100. It is say in the question paper. Okay, if this one is true, then we are doing the entire calculation. This entire calculation we are doing, otherwise we are not doing this calculation. Okay, sorry, that's not n, is no. And otherwise print a message which is output under the else. Output number out of range. So number out of range. Message is done. Bracket close, semicolon, and again you compile. There is no error. Close it. Run it. The previous one are, you can see the previous one are present. Now you provide the value of n, which is 145. So 145 and press enter. You can see number out of range. Now you, after taking the all inputs, do one thing, take an option, put the print, and you can print your output. Okay, and is output having marks. So before the printing the output, make sure your all outputs are as it is in question paper. Okay, or the question paper, the output is present as it is, you can show it in the output screen. Then you print. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.